In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to wide chart view on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. It's packed with a lot of premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a crazy Twitter tracker which is basically top-notch, a P&L tracker, a reward system which gives you Solana and points when you're just trading and inviting people, and then they have the turbo mode which basically makes up for faster fills. They have a lot of different presets you can set and change slippages and different fees, and then they also have different filters you can use, etc. So it's amazing, make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Now, to switch to a wide chart view, it's actually quite simple. First, you want to open up a coin you would like to see the wide chart view of. So for example, I'm going to click on a random coin. And then up here at the top right of the graph, you can see if you hover over this button, it says wide chart view. So click on that, and as you can see, the wide chart has now been activated, and this is now basically the entire width of my computer screen. But if you're not liking this anymore and you want to switch back, simply click up here, back to normal chart view, and there we go. This is now it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.